Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add text to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So to get started, simply press D on your keyboard and this should select the type tool. You can also find it here with your toolbar. I have mine set to the left side for easy access and the type tool is at the bottom. So once you have your type tool selected, simply click somewhere in the program monitor where you'd like to add your text. So let's say I want to add it to the top. I'm going to click here and type my text in. That looks good to me. And if you look here at the properties window, which you can usually find on the right side of your screen, you can see some text properties, stuff like your font size, and other formatting options. So let's say I want to add bold, make it bold and italic, and I want to change the font. So something like this. There we go. Then I'll edit the font size and I'll drag it around using the selection tool. So you can also resize this that way. And that should give you a good idea of how to edit your text. There we go. I like this text a lot more. You can also change your other properties here, like your strokes, whether you want an outline. So let's say I want a black outline. You can also adjust the thickness of it. Also things like the background and the shadow. I'll add a shadow and I'll make it a little more apparent. There we go. So that looks good to me. So feel free to also overlay some effects with the text you just added, and you can achieve plenty of creative effects. So that's how you can add text to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.